Meaning of dissimilar.
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 Dissimilar. Dissimilar is an adjective that describes things that are not alike or do not have any similarities. This term can be applied to a wide range of objects, concepts, or ideas, indicating a lack of resemblance or sameness between them. In simpler terms, dissimilar refers to things that are different from each other. For example, two fruits can be dissimilar if they come from different continents or if they have different colors and tastes. Dissimilarities can also occur in relationships, cultures, habits, or personalities, indicating diversity and individuality among people or groups.